The all-new 2014 Corvette Stingray Convertible has been fully redesigned with more angular styling, improved interior quality, more power and new technology features for the year 2014. Precision isn't just a word. For the designer of the all-new 2014 Corvette Stingray, it was a mantra. Throwing off the constraint of tradition, world-class engineers started over from scratch to build a revolutionary lightweight vehicle with the aesthetic impact and the performance progress worthy of a Stingray emblem. Since Stingray was originally designed as an open-top vehicle, the convertible design is nearly identical to that of the Coupe, and no compromises were made in its creation. With its sculpted, athletic exterior and driver-oriented cockpit, it is a beautiful instrument of precision with purpose-driven design. A lightweight aluminum space frame replaces steel, carbon fiber, and carbon nano composite structure reduces weight even further to achieve optimal handling and acceleration. Stingray boasts a third-generation magnetic selective ride control, a 7-speed transmission with active rev matching, and 5 distinct driver modes ready for any road. A solid machine that is very sexy and attractive. It sure will turn heads everywhere it goes. Up front, you see the functional hood air extractor, direct air from the front grille up through the forward tilted radiator and out of the engine compartment. Each blade is precisely angled for optimal airflow. The result is reduced front-end lift, increased downforce, and improved handling at high speed. Frosted indirect high-intensity discharge headlamp are the eye to the technological soul of the Stingray, emanating crisp color, brightness, and efficiency. The new element bear a sharper, more sinister shape, framed by H-lit amber LED turn signal and black chrome housing. Bi-xenon HID technology achieves high and low beams with a single light engine. Here is a closer look at the hood air extractor. Cornering light are also built into the front bumper. The front offers 18-inch 5-spoke aluminum chrome wheels as an upgraded option with the racy red caliber and black Corvette lettering on it. The specific Corvette Stingray fender with the Stingray emblem. Even though the front comes with 18 inches wheel, the back comes with 19-inch wheel, which is a little wider, also comes with the red brake caliber. To the back, you easily notice the signature 4-element tail lamps bear a new angular shape and form elegantly into 3-dimensional sculpted lenses. Concealed indirect LED lamps cast light into reverse reflector to achieve crisp and even luminescence. Rear diffuser with mesh insert on each side, and the quad round chrome tip exhaust that make this car sound like no other. There is your rear backup camera. A high-mounted stop lamp crowns the rear deck lid. It's a design that doesn't look back. And here is the look at the back with the light switch on as well as the rear cornering light. Alright, let's take a look at the interior. There's a button behind the door handle. Press it to open. Beautiful interior. The interior features two-tone color, Kalahari and black. Seats come with Kalahari leather with suede insert. Dash and door panel are partially wrapped in leather with silver accenting throughout the car. Alright, let's take a closer look at the door panel. Very nice. 2-position memory seating for both driver and passenger. There is the easy exit button. Both windows are fully automatic. Press that button to open the door. Stingray door seal. The steering wheel is designed exclusively for Stingray and hand wrapped in natural leather. A smaller race-inspired steering wheel enhances grip and driving feel. A discreet, flat Euro stitch lends a subtle but crafted feel. Steering wheel mounted paddle initiate active rev matching on the manual transmission or manual shifting on the automatic transmission. Also comes with multi-function controls side by side for your convenience. Alright, let's start it up and see how it sounds. Beautiful instrument. Push button ignition. Foot on the brake. Push the button to start. Under the hood is a 6.2-liter V8 direct injection engine, rear-wheel drive, variable valve timing, pushing out 455 horsepower and 460 pound-feet of torque, 460 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque with dual performance exhaust. EPA estimated fuel economy is at 17 city, 29 highway, and 21 combined with manual transmission. The automatic is rated at 16 city, 28 highway, and 20 combined. Can hit from 0 to 60 in 3.8 seconds. The Stingray multimedia system has also evolved to keep you connected and entertained. The Chevrolet MyLink system began with the retractable 8-inch diagonal high-definition color touchscreen. Using steering wheel control, hand gesture recognition, and voice recognition capability, you can talk and text hands-free, stream HD radio and third-party music service like Pandora Internet Radio, plus access a broad range of functions including OnStar and available navigations. Elegantly integrated touch, Stingray features a motorized drop-down faceplate behind the center display that reveals a concealed storage area with USB input. Other features include a premium Bose audio system, Sirius XM satellite radio, available 3D navigation map, an SD card slot, audio input jack, and Bluetooth 3.0 wireless technology. Here are some function buttons like side mirror control for both driver and passenger side, information button, as well as the retractable top button. Aluminum pedals. Again, here's the 8-inch LCD navigation screen, multimedia controlled, dual climate controlled, Corvette Stingray emblem, 12-volt power outlet. Here's the gearbox, wrapped in leather with brown stitching. Two cup holder. Park and brake button. Drive mode select. 5 different modes: weather, eco, tour, sport, and track. Press the middle button for traction control off. Center storage compartment with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and auxiliary input. Glove box compartment with the 2 double air vent for the passenger.
Kobe LeBlanc.
sun visor mirror, universal garage door opener, rear view mirror with OnStar and emergency roadside assistant button integrated in it. The passenger also have full control of the climate control for themselves. The beautiful Grand Touring seat with threaded microfiber inserts. Both driver and passenger seats are perforated and comes with heated and ventilated seat option. There's the Corvette logo. Beautiful interior. It doesn't matter if the top is down or up, the trunk offers the same amount of cargo space. While the trunk are limited in cargo space for larger items, it offers plenty of space for small items. Alright, let's take another look at the interior. You can tell that Chevrolet did put in a lot of effort to improve this year's Corvette interior. The overall design is just breathtaking and luxury. The quality of the material is better, with a greater use of soft touch material and more prominent display of leather stitching. Even more are the new seats. They are more supportive and offer more lateral support than the previous years. Every inch of the Stingray exterior was engineered with aerodynamics in mind. The convertible design mimics the coupe